I'm Lauren Reese, and this is Student Org Spotlight. Today, we're going to be talking to the president of the Indian Student Association to find out about their involvement on campus. What organizations or activities are you a part of on campus?
Okay. Currently, I am the president of Indian Student Association. I am also a member of the Dean's Advisory Council of Diversity and Inclusion College of Business. I am an active member of World Student Association. I have also been taking part in the events of Muslim Student Association.
So can you tell me more about the Indian Student Association?
Indian Student Association was created in 1985, and it was created by Indian student, but it's not basically for Indian students. It's for everyone who wants to know about Indian culture, what is the scenario going on in India, and what all the things we do, like festivals, events, like why do we do a certain way, learning different folk dances and all of that, just to get more people involved, not only involved, like participate also.
So what events do you guys host annually or monthly?
So the biggest event for Indian Student Association is the Diwali Event, which was this year in November. Next year also it will be in November. And like in the honor of that festival, we have an event which we showcase different cultures. We always have a theme, and this year's theme was Vasudev Kutumbakam, which means the whole world is one family. Yeah, and then it was really good. We always have a section of a fashion show in which we like get people more involved and know more about. So this year's theme was Indian regional cinema, just to like tell them that India is not just about Bollywood, there are many regional cinema too. Recently we introduced Dialogue, Deliberation and Democracy, which because there was elections going on back in India in the spring.
So how do you believe that your organization really stands out on campus?
It's not just my vision, it's just the people who are ready to take care of that.
Yeah.
And it's so amazing that sometimes it feels like home, that people are there to support you.
So how can students get involved if they're interested in joining the Indian Student Association?
I mean, it's everywhere. It's on Facebook, it's on Instagram, and you can just get in touch with any one of the students on campus. They will get you in touch with the executive board.